package from the jungle site. Save this resealable bag for returns. Lighter than our smallest box. Okay. Start the show. So I got one of them little battery operated little turntables, display turntables. Because I like to do a little green screen experiment and use my Lego TARDIS and have like a spinning avatar maybe for the bottom of the screen there. That'd be pretty cool. I don't know. Of course, I don't know what I'm doing. If you think I'm a videographer or anything like that. So this is one of them little cheap Chinese, little plastic, battery-operated turntables. Let's see, mini electric turntable. Product manual. 120 millimeter mini 360 degree electric turntable. Color black or white, gold and silver. Product material ABS. Speed 3 RPMs. That means 3 revolutions per minute. And the maximum payload is 3 kilograms, so you'd have to figure it out on pounds. Function 300 degree rotation. Connect USB. Press the switch for 1 second. LED light is red and the power is on. Press the switch for 1 second to switch between forward rotation and reverse rotation. Press the switch for 3 seconds to turn the power off. So this is a multi-purpose. I don't know if it has its own internal battery in it or not. I don't think it does. But you can put AA or triple A's, I think. Doesn't really say. We'll figure it out. So it does have USB input. It's a micro USB. So it is on. So we'll find something to put on it. With something that looks like it's turning. That's pretty cool. So right now it's turning counterclockwise. Just push it to change your rotations. So that's pretty cool. And then other things that were in the package was some more USB cables. So I've been sticking with a brand that JS Aux for all 3 items here. And I needed, just for shits and giggles, USB-C to USB micro, I think it is. Of course, part of the label is chopped off. So we'll figure out what it is in a second. Yeah, this is the one. USB-C to USB micro. So that's pretty handy. Of course, you get the little tether in case it's too long. Because this one is 6.5 feet. So that's pretty neat. Because I got USB-C outlets now, and sometimes you might need USB-C to USB micro. I think I got 2 of them. This one already looks like it was opened. Probably one of them Amazon returns. So I got 2 of them, and it definitely was open because the tether is on the cable, so somebody was in it. But it's okay as long as it works. And these little guys are very handy to have in case you only need like one cable for everything, and occasionally you need that little USB micro. So I got these little guys, these little keychains. So USB-C to USB micro, a little keychain that you tether to your keychains. So these are actually, I stand corrected. These are USB micro to USB-C, because I got the opposite end. So in case you got, you know, one of them situations where you need to go from, let's just say this cable here. Oh, I only got a USB micro, and I need USB-C. So you can just get these little adapters, and now you got USB-C. And then it gives you these little keychains. So one side has a small hook, and the other side is a bigger hook. So you put the small hook. It's got one of them little lobster claw type hooks. Of course, something this small, you'll definitely lose it. And it's so light, you'll never hear it drop if you were to drop it or something like that. And the bigger clasp goes on your cable, so you never lose it. Unless you physically break the chain. Now when you need USB micro, you got it. When you need USB-C, you say, I got that kind. And you're all set. So that's it for this little package opening segment. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.